Stepping out of a hot shower only to realize that the persistent itch on your back where the redness between your toes hasn't budged is a total mood killer. Most of us have been there, staring at a patch of skin that just won't behave, wondering if we picked up something from the gym floor or a damp locker room. We often reach for the most expensive bottles or the strongest smelling soaps, but they usually just mask the problem instead of fixing it. That is where the conversation around this Roycederm antifungal and antibacterial tea tree soap starts to get interesting. It has been popping up everywhere lately. People are talking about it as if it is some kind of secret weapon for fungal acne, athlete's foot, and those stubborn body odor issues that standard deodorants can't seem to touch. What makes this particular bar stand out is that it is not trying to be just another organic, hippie-style soap. It actually bridges the gap between natural ingredients and serious medicine. When you look at the label, you see the usual suspects like coconut oil and olive oil, which are great for keeping your skin from turning into parchment paper. But the real power comes from the tea tree oil paired with actual antifungal medications. We are talking about ingredients like clotrimazole or tall naphtate. These are the same active components you find in those clinical tubes of cream at the pharmacy. By putting them into a soap bar, the goal is to make treatment part of your daily hygiene rather than a chore you have to remember. It is designed for the person dealing with ringworm, jock itch, or back acne who needs a reliable way to keep their skin clear without a massive fuss. The tea tree oil provides that natural punch against bacteria, while the medicated side of the formula goes to work on the fungal roots. Many people who have integrated this into their routine report that the redness and irritation start to back off after about 2 weeks of steady use. That is a vital point to remember. This is not an overnight fix. If you expect a single wash to clear up a month-long skin issue, you are going to be disappointed. Consistency is the name of the game here. You have to give the ingredients time to actually disrupt the fungal growth. Of course, it is not all sunshine and perfect skin. Tea tree oil is incredibly potent. For some people with very sensitive skin, it can feel a bit too aggressive or cause a slight stinging sensation. It is also a bit more of an investment than your average grocery store soap. You are paying for those active medical ingredients. Is it a scam? No, because the chemistry is there to back it up. Is it a miracle? Probably not. It is a tool in your kit. If you have a severe infection, you still need to see a professional. But for the everyday battles against gym-related skin funk, this soap holds its own. It works best when you view it as maintenance. It keeps the environment on your skin hostile to the stuff you don't want growing there. If you are tired of the constant cycle of irritation, making a switch to something medicated like this could be the shift your skin has been waiting for. It is about working smarter, not just washing harder. Stay consistent and keep an eye on how your skin reacts. And you might finally find some relief from that nagging itch.